First thing, as you guys know, I need to set the ambiance and light my candles. So tonight's dinner is a brown sugar glazed salmon with mashed potatoes and some asparagus. So here I begin seasoning the salmon with a little packet of Sazon Goya. Next, I add Kinder's salt, pepper, and garlic blend. Now I am making the glaze with a 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Now we coat the salmons evenly with the brown sugar and Dijon mustard mixture.
Echo, how long should I cook the asparagus for?
It is recommended to bake asparagus in the oven for 15 minutes to 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Flip the asparagus every 5 minutes while cooking.
Thank you, Echo. Echo, thank you.
You're welcome.
Salmon now goes into a preheated oven of 425 for 15 to 20 minutes. Here is my homemade mashed potatoes. Guys, that's as homemade as it's gonna get. Doesn't that salmon look so good? Here you have it, a quick, easy, and let's not forget delicious weeknight dinner. Have you tasted it, James?
It's hot, that's enough, that's close enough.
Is it good? James approved. Alrighty guys, so that was dinner, the salmon, the asparagus, and the mashed potatoes, and it was delicious. This is going to be the end of the vlog. It is 9:01. I'm so tired. I'm going to go shower now and go to bed. So I love you guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. I know I just ended the vlog. This is a PS to my vlog. I wanted to show you guys. Do you guys see this ring light right here with my Canon camera already hooked on it? Well, that was my birthday present from my husband. So my birthday was August the 5th. I'm not gonna tell you how much I turned, how old I am. Why don't you guys take a guess? Anyways, so he got me this, and I absolutely love it. I kind of used it a little bit tonight while I was cooking. Alright, bye, love you, see you in my next one.